Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are looking at how to buy crypto on Binance. As always, before we jump into the video, please make sure to drop a thumbs up on the video below if you enjoy the content. Hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 followers, so it would be much appreciated if you wanted to subscribe. We are dropping multiple videos every single week, so you're going to want to hit the notification icon as well to stay up to date and get notified every time we drop our new videos so you can stay on top of the rapidly moving crypto space and hit your crypto goals. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video, which is all about how to buy crypto on Binance. So first things first, Binance really is pretty much the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, particularly when it comes to trading volume. We can see here that Binance is leaps and bounds ahead of its nearest competitors like Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, Kraken, KuCoin, etc. We've got over 50 billion in trading volume on Binance over the 24 hours, with the majority of the other closest competitors under the $10 billion per 24 hours mark. Anyway, the first thing you're going to want to do for buying crypto on Binance is head over to Binance.com, and you're going to need to create an account if you have not created an account already, or log in. So you're going to click sign up or you're going to click log in order to create a new account or log into your existing account. Now, if you click on sign up, you do have the option to sign up with Google and to sign in with your Google account. And when you log into your account, you're going to be brought to your dashboard that looks exactly like this. So there are multiple ways to actually go about purchasing crypto on Binance. We're going to talk through a few different options. However, the first thing to note is that, yes, you will need to deposit money into your account in order to make a purchase of crypto. So Binance acts as an on-ramp for you to be able to transfer your traditional fiat currency, whether it's US dollars or euros or Japanese yen, whatever currency you want to transfer, you can do that in order to purchase funds, in order to deposit funds and make purchases for crypto on Binance. So when it comes to deposit, you can click on deposit up here in the top menu, and you've got multiple different options for buying crypto. So first thing we're going to look at is actually making a bank deposit. So if you wanted to make a deposit from your bank account, you can click on this bank deposit option. That brings you to a page where you can basically select your local fiat currency, whether it's US dollars or euro. Let's just type in euro as an example. Then you have the ability to basically choose a bank transfer deposit option for whether it's a SEPA transfer. You've got multiple SEPA options, or you can actually use a bank card like a Visa card with this option here as well in order to make a deposit on your account. So for example, if we clicked open SEPA, we would click continue. You are going to have to verify your account in order to do this, but basically this will open up the next screen where you could enter the amount that you want to deposit. You will then be brought or basically redirected to your specific bank account to enter your bank details and make that deposit. Oftentimes with Binance, it will happen the same day with your deposit, or with a SEPA transfer, it will happen within about 1 business day. So that is your option basically to begin depositing fiat currency from your bank account into Binance. And then what you can do is you can continue to make a purchase. You can make a purchase on Binance by using the buy crypto or the markets feature. So what we're going to look at first is the markets option, where basically we can go to trade and then go to spot. And that's going to open up the Binance trading interface. So if you've already got funds deposited into your account, then you can come into the trading interface in order to select the cryptocurrency or the pair that you want to actually make a purchase for. So again, this might look a little bit overwhelming, but this area here is the area that you want to focus on in terms of making the actual purchase. But the first thing you need to do is select your trading pair. So let's say, for example, we were going to purchase Solana. We would choose Solana USDT. The other thing to note is that obviously if you transfer euro into your Binance account, you will then need to convert that into USDT in order to actually set up this spot. So first things first, we might actually just show you how to do that. So you can come over to your wallet here in the main account area. And right now, I don't have any funds in this account because it's a demo account. But basically, once you deposit your euro, it will show in here. And then in order to convert your euro into USDT, you can click on this convert button and then basically select, let's say, euro, for example. And then what you're going to do is convert that to USDT. So we select USDT, and then you type in the amount of euro that you want to convert. So let's just say we were doing 1,000 euro and wanting to convert that to USDT. We can see that 1 euro equals 108 USDT, and then you would click convert, and it would show you how many USDT you're going to get for 1,000 euro. So you would make that conversion, and again, there is no fees for doing these conversions on Binance. And then you can come over to the spot trading area once again, and you can select the trading pair that you want. So let's say you wanted to purchase Solana with your new USDT. So you would click the Sol USDT pair. That's going to bring up the chart here. We've got the order books here for USDT and Solana as well. And then we've got this is another area where we can quickly select different trading pairs. But now that we see the Sol USDT that we've selected, we can scroll down here and we can click on making a limit or a market order. So for example, if we had 1,000 USDT, we can opt to create a limit order in order to purchase X amount of Solana at a given price. So the limit order is basically the option to choose to purchase Solana at a given price in the future. So you might want to, for example, wait. Right now, the price of Solana is $129 per Solana. You might say that you think the price of Solana might drop a little bit, let's say to $125, and you want to make a purchase for Solana at $125 because you think, let's say tomorrow, that the price of Solana is going to drop. So you could basically put that in here, and then you could say you want to purchase Solana, $125 worth of Solana, and purchase a total, make a purchase for a total of $1,000, and that would give you 8 Sol for that price. And then you click buy Sol, and then that order will not actually execute until the price of Solana hits $125. If you want to just purchase Solana straight away at the market price of $129.56, then you would click on market order, and that basically allows you to say, I want to buy $1,000 worth of Solana at the market price right now, and then you click on buy Sol, and it's going to execute your order immediately in order to purchase that Solana. Okay? So this is the way that you can kind of come in and make these slightly more complex purchases, but the easiest way to actually do it is to go back to your wallet again and just use the conversion tool within your wallet natively. So just like we said, you can convert your your euro into USDT. Similarly, you can also do that if you have deposited, for example, you've got your 1,000 USDT in here. You can also just select Solana from in here. There, Sol. And you can convert your USDT to Solana directly in your wallet, and it will give you the rate of how many Solana you can get for 1 USDT. And then if you click convert, it'll show you that would equal about 7.6854 Solana at the current Solana price. So this is the most easy way to do that purchase directly in your wallet. But if you are someone who wants to be making purchases or limit orders, then you should be using the trading interface. There is another way, or there's multiple other ways, but the other way to purchase or buy crypto on Binance is to make a buy crypto purchase directly within this area of Binance, which allows you to basically use your debit or credit card to make a purchase directly. So you can determine, or you can choose your currency here, for example. So you can use USD or Euro, and then you want to make a purchase. Again, let's use our Solana example. But this option is going to obviously prompt you to verify your account and add your ID first. But this option, the fees tend to be much higher. Typically, your credit card or your debit card is going to have or add on fees for you making this purchase on Binance. And that transaction fee can be, 2 or 3%. And also, Binance charges you an execution fee for using your debit or credit card. So typically, this method with buying it directly, while yes, it might be the, one of the most efficient ways to do it, it does come at a higher cost. So if cost of doing the transaction is important to you, then it would be better to actually make a deposit with your bank, because typically this is only a few euro. Like even if you're transferring 2,000 euro, it's only going to cost you maybe €2 to make that SEPA transfer. And then you don't have to worry about high credit card processing fees as a result for your credit card or your debit card. So in short, that is how to buy crypto on Binance. There is multiple ways to do it. Once you deposit funds into your account and once you add your euro or US dollars, it will appear in your spot wallet and you will see it here immediately. And then the easiest way to make a purchase is just to use the convert function and convert it from USDT to your chosen cryptocurrency. The more complex way to do it would be to use the spot markets feature if you wanted to be buying limit orders or different types of orders for your given cryptocurrency. So, as always, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to drop a thumbs up on the video below on your way out. Please hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 followers. It would mean so much if you were to subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you can get the latest updates on everything in the fast-moving crypto space, as we are dropping multiple videos every single week. We will catch you in the next one.